What? Of the world, it's not a plan. Hear me, no, man? Hey, yo, a franchise, the choosing one, the 10-star general. You know when I come for represent, you know a full effecting, don't it? You know it go already, you know. When I aim up, load up, crank up, and sound the big thing, them and drop necessary equipment. You know a loud explosion, boy. Yeah. What? The most electrifying man for YouTube entertainment business. You hear me, I say? Right about now, you know. I don't know if you see it, you know. Buju Banton come and say, yo, country has sell out for sale, you know. And it's like the government not care one damn. You know what I mean? So this man, you know, come in a parliament, you know. And him don't build up nothing. Him can't put him hand on nothing where him say him build up. The only thing him do is sell out. You know what I mean? The man sell out more than where him put in. Him not put in no work. All him do him just a sell out. So him go down in a history as one of the prime minister who sell out the most of the country to overseas people. No him want to sell out water, the source of life. You see what I deal with? And when Vibes Cartel it come and leak out from Water Commission and Public Service, them never like it. Those are some of the things them why them even lock up the man. You know what I mean? This one, you know, coming up parliament, you know. I mean, I know if him is a igglela or what. Why him keep on a sell out the country like that? Let me tell you something. Remember, you know, say, you know, in a Vietnam, you know, a 30 cent an hour them a pay the Chinese them for build, the Vietnamese them for build them Nike shoes there, you know, them Nike sneakers there where they make, you know. When I say them 30 cent an hour, them a pay the Vietnamese them for build them Chinese stuff there. And the government in a Jamaica go like say, Jamaican can't build nothing and Jamaican and them a back on. One to the free zone them we used to go on. Because them in free zone used to make clothes, you know, and them send it overseas, you know. And them same clothes the Jamaican go all overseas go buy them and not even know a free zone people make them in my budget. A real thing I tell you about, you know. So if the Chinese them can make knockoff, you know, and you give them free pass to come into the country and I sell off all of them knockoff stuff there. Why the people them can't make things and sell? You know what I mean? And why we have to depend on other people food? You know what I mean? Jamaica not supposed to depend on people food, my virgin. We not can feed ourselves. We don't have enough land and enough farmer, but nobody not invest in agriculture. Eh? Yo, let me tell you something. I respect the farm workers them more than the politician them. And more than the man them who come overseas in a first world country and claim say them are jugs man and them are top man. I respect the farm workers more than the whole of them people. You hear me? The farm workers them used to go up on them farm work, you know. And when them come back, them buy them land, them plow them land, them buy them animal, and them give people work for work on them farm. And if everybody that take a leaf out of that page there would have been developed a long time and have a whole heap of structure and a whole heap of people who that eat. You see what I deal them not do nothing more than binickle the people them and stifle certain stuff. We can't export no coffee no more. We can't export no cocoa, no green banana, all of them shit that. Every day me go to the Korean store, me see all of them food there, you know, in the Korean store, you know, where people export them places from some different country, you know, come here, you know, my virgin. Remember, you know, a long time the Rasta man them a tell them legalize marijuana, you know. And you know them would have killed the man them with liquor imprisonment and lock up and all kind of disrespect, you know. Right now, you know, in a store me see it, you know. Real thing me telling about, me not telling about no joke thing. I go in a fancy, sophisticated store of marijuana I sell in there in a bottle. Real thing. I sorry me never do out on the road for just walk going to the store and making a show I really I talk about. You see what I'm dealing? Or can you come and sell out the water them to China? You know crazy? There's something wrong with you. Or what? Them and you not give the people them no work. What? Them can mix Malta better than black man. Them can stay in the sun better than black man. Them know to deal with concrete structure better than black man. What the problem? What the problem why is nothing for we? All because them government people I want to stay around the corner and collect money and sell out. Let me tell you something, you know. You can name it, you know. All of the past prime minister them, you know. Where them live? Which part PJ Patterson live, my brethren? Where him live? Him live at Jamaica? Which part Bruce Golden live? Nobody there even know where him there. A real thing I tell you, know, people, I say you need for voting somebody who have the knowledge and the roots and the culture like a Muta Baroka. Somebody who have a stand up for the roots and the culture of the country and the people them. Not them little man who want to live like them in a first world country. You see what I deal with? A real thing I tell you about, you know, and a joke thing, you know. You know for mark no X. A real thing because X a wrong bang. Me never vote yet. You know what I mean? From you go school, you know that X mean wrong bang. You know mark nothing, you know mark no X. Anything where you mark it have to be a ticket. You know what I mean? Which is right. You know, and a lollipop thing. But the general, the 10-star one I represent. The more the people them lick out for a certain thing, the more them want blindfold people and do beer crap. The man sell out the airport, sell out the backside, the man a walk around and sell out the whole of the place. Like him is a igglela or him hungry. Him hungry for money, so. And when him sell out the money, what kind of development him done for the country? All them are doing is go around and a build beer road. Which are the people them are going to live? And then you know one differentiates people and differentiates them by class. You know what I mean? But you have first class, nigger class, and poor class. You not build up no structure in the ghetto. You not build up some housing in the ghetto for the people them. And change it from ghetto and make it be aristocrat era. And give the people them some work that them can help themselves. You don't have nothing instruct about that. All police want to do, you know, using police to go on and kill off the people. Remember, you know, mash up the country, you know, with no political violence, you know. Remember that, you know. And when time the man them who fight, you know, political violence get wanted, you know, and them name a ring, you know, send them go abroad, go hide them, you know, and them come over here from in the 80s in a big drugs thing, you know. What does them do for the country? What does them do for the country? Oh, come back to Jamaica, 9 and 20 man behind up on big bike and big vehicle and them shit there. What does that done? You do not build up no school, you build up no factory. What you do? You build up no farmer organization, you give people work. What you do? I don't rate you no time at all. The general, the 10-star one I represent. And I say the prime minister and the government, all of them politicians, them for go to jail for them foolishness there what them are dealing with. And them love point finger upon the poor people, them, you know. There's nothing wrong with the poor people, them point finger upon. You don't have nobody to stand up for the people, them. But as soon as time comes for election, them run on in the ghetto and the poor people, them are depend upon for vote. You think them can call society people from out of them?